In this video, you are installing Android Studio on Windows, setting up the emulator, and running your first Android project. Everything will be verified step by step. Step 1. Download Android Studio, open your browser. Click the address bar. Type developer.android.com studio. Press enter. This is the official Android developer website. Click Download Android Studio, read the license agreement. Check the agreement box. Click Download Android Studio for Windows. The file size is around 1.3 gigabytes. Wait for the download to complete. Step 2. Install Android Studio. Go to your Downloads folder. Double-click the downloaded .xf file. Click Next. You will see two components, Android Studio, Android Virtual Device. Keep both selected. Click Next. Leave the installation directory as default unless you have a specific reason to change it. Click Next. Click Install. Wait for installation to complete. When you see Setup completed successfully, click Next. Keep Start Android Studio checked. Click Finish. Step 3. Initial Setup Wizard. Android Studio will launch. If asked to send usage statistics, select Don't Send. Click Next. Choose Standard Installation. Click Next. Review the components to be downloaded. Click Next. Accept all licenses. Click Next. Now Android Studio will download required SDK components and build tools. This may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. If Windows shows a security pop-up, click Yes. When setup completes, click Finish. Android Studio will open. Step 4. Verify emulator before creating a project. Verify the emulator. On the welcome screen, click More Actions, Virtual Device Manager if a default device exists. Click the Run icon. The emulator should start. If it boots successfully, your virtualization and SDK are working correctly. If no device exists, click Create Device, select a device profile. Click Next. Download the recommended system image. Click Finish. Start the device to confirm it works. Emulator verification complete. Step 5. Create new Android project. Click New Project, choose. Project name, My Application, leave package name and location as default. Minimum SDK, choose the recommended default unless targeting specific devices. Click Finish. Android Studio will now create the project. Sync Gradle download dependencies. Wait until Gradle build finished appears at the bottom. Only continue when all background tasks are complete. Step 6. Run the project. At the top device selector, choose your running emulator. Click the green Run button. Android Studio will build the project, install the app on emulator, launch it automatically. If everything is configured correctly, you will see Hello Android displayed on the emulator screen. Final verification checklist. If the app runs successfully, Android Studio installed SDK configured emulator. Working Gradle build successful, virtual device operational. Your Android development environment is fully ready.